I heard it hit. I heard it go crunch. I was flying backwards trying to get a shot and then bang, hit the wall. Battery too. Wonder what you would do with this. Not a darn thing. Sell it, maybe sell it to someone for parts. Yeah. You know, I could see somebody might want. Hi everybody, Mike here, also known as Wolffield Diver. Thanks for watching. Today I'm back in Arizona. We've got some friends here, some mountain climbers that are going to help us look for the lost drone and go over the edge and try to recover it. I'll introduce you to them in a minute. Let's go take a look. If all goes as planned, we're going to go over the edge here and try to find the drone that we lost 10 months ago. We got John, Bill, and Dave. And we got Rogel down there somewhere near the cliff edge. We're gonna make an attempt here to take a peek and see if these guys are kind enough to go locate that lost drone. So I'm sure we could lose another one if they wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that today. So.
So we gotta talk about the okay. Sorry. And I can use this as a progress capture coming back up. Okay. Camera. It's a lot of loose shit here. So, you know, Rogel, I'm going to go down toward that tree. I know. That's all right. I can fix that. So I may have to go down and spot where this thing goes. See if I can spot it from below and then reset and come up to it. off doing a little exploring. Can we spot the drone?
I hear you, Bill. What's up?
I'm down close to the tree, the large juniper tree, and looking off to Climber's left. From where I went down, I don't see the drone anywhere in sight. At this point, I'm thinking it would have been a good idea to get eyes on it from below.
But you have to get down there first.
All right, are you going to continue down then, or what?
That said, before I would do that, I would want another rope, the orange 200 footer, brought over to that gully, and I would want one of you guys to spot me from above, or see me anyway.
Gotcha. We'll see what we can do here. Hang on, let me get some help up here and get things rearranged.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna put another rope down. Another rope down in another area, see if we can locate it. It's really tough to get within 15 feet. It's just rough terrain. Radio, David.
We found the drone! It's to Bill's right. He just spotted it when he got out of projection down there. He says it's...
All right, I hope we're recording again. You can see where the rope is running from the anchor above, and I just located the drone to my right, virtually at eye level. Pretty cool. I had to get out away from the rock face though.
Bill, so you're just reversing
Locate
to
it.
get the drone then?
That is correct. I'll need a little bit of time to climb back, scramble back to where I was, and then I need to traverse out Climber's right across that rock face that's just below the anchor here, to the right of where the rope hangs, and I'll swing over and get into the bush where the drone is and see if I can't grab it.
Good. Thank you. Out.
Bill's seen the drone. He's about 20 feet away from it. He's going to traverse over and try to get closer to it.
I'm going to swing around right here. Let's get a little backup in here. So I'll have to pendulum around, which looks like it ought to be okay.
We got John looking over the edge. He sees the drone. Bill's down there trying to traverse over to it.
We're a little pendulum, and there's our drone, conveniently located close to the ledge. We still have at least 2 propellers attached. All right. I see the gray matter and apparently intact here. Look at that guy. All right. Let's lean down here and see if we can grab this little puppy. All right. Now we can do it. Oh, Mike, you might not be too happy about what happens to your props, but we got it.
Does he have the part that has the memory card?
Drone in hand with memory card.
Thanks, this is a success. We're glad to launch. See you later.
Now don't drop the pack, Bill. Create another drone recovery part 2 or part 4, however we're counting this.
So it's about quarter to noon, and Bill seems to have the drone in his possession. And it looks like he's got the piece with the memory card in it too. So he's working his way back up now.
So Dave, I'm set up in ascension mode with my gree for progress capture in a foot loop, and I'm gonna start ascending myself.
Okay, thanks for the info. I'm set to belay if you need one.
Bill's working his way back up. He's got the drone in his possession.
Hope that edge is okay. Really nothing I can do about it at this point. See if I can't get it over. Just gonna scooch over here. So I think I'd really rather go up. Yeah. In fact, I'd like to go up over this. Here, sort of. We're almost there.
So when you started going down, you were that way. You were too far that way from it, right?
So it turned out I went down exactly the right way. Oh, okay. Yeah, I went over. I thought it might be over rock left that way. But I put the second rope on and went down to a further vantage point where I could scramble out away from the cliff edge.
Right.
Look back and I was looking right at it 20 feet away.
Okay.
30 feet away. Or actually it's up a little bit. And so I came down the right place. I just needed to pendulum around or kind of work my way around this big rock slab face.
Yeah.
To get that ledge and to get to it. I'm gonna undo it anyway, Dave. To do it my way. I know. So, yeah.
Let's take it. Well, we got it back. Wow.
Yeah, this is the battery compartment.
That's
here?
the battery. The battery slides out of there, and then it was ejected. And here's, whoops, here's where the camera snapped off.
Oh yeah.
You know, and there's the memory card still in there.
How about that?
Look at that. You guys are awesome. This is great.
Yeah. So.
Hey, I mean, this is.
That guy was sitting there like this, and I could see all three of those other props were attached. You know. And it's sitting like this, I could actually see the memory card out there.
Okay, you're going, yeah, all right.
Like, oh man,
look how it snapped this off when it hit, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It hit hard. Wow. But then, it, like you said, it just tumbled down and landed in that tree.
In about the perfect way.
Yeah.
So I just reached out there and grabbed hold of one of these two and just, you know, wrangled it.
So that thing was spinning.
Oh yeah.
You can see where.
Yeah, that whacked.
Shoot up.
That edge did too.
Yeah. Very interesting. Amazing.
How about that? Pretty cool.